Am I part velociraptor? Don't eat this confetti, please, because I know I'm gonna have to pull it out of your butt. Oh no, she found it. Yeah. Sorry about this. Hey guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stick around and watch a couple more. And if you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you a little bit extra. If you would ever not hate to see my face again, please hit the subscribe button because over half of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel and that is just a travesty. So today we are going to be unboxing and trying on the new JACLYN Hill liquid lipsticks, and there's also a gloss in here. Real quick, I'll tell you about my experience trying to purchase these boxes. I was going to buy one of the full set and one of the lips for a giveaway, which I did. I was able to snag 2 of these, so there is a giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that and the rules and everything. But they sold out before it even hit the launch time, so it was really frustrating. I couldn't get the other boxes, but I got these. So, and happy Valentine's Day. Hopefully you're seeing this on Valentine's Day. I'm gonna do my best because it's already 7:30 on Valentine's Day evening, but I'm gonna do my best to edit and upload this video because red lipstick is just perfect for Valentine's Day. So here it is a box. It came very nicely packaged. I like the packaging, and then it came like so, the little black confetti. 4 lip products. So you have 3 liquid lipsticks and 1 gloss, and we all know what happened with her prior lipstick, so I hope these are good. I never tried those, but we all know that that was the talk of the town. We have the shades. Which one is the gloss? The gloss is 24 karat. And then for lip colors, we have Committed, Boy Bye, and Clingy. Let's try Clingy on first. Okay, the packaging is super cute. I like the red top, very Valentine's Day feeling. Let's see if it has a smell. It smells like strawberry. Does that smell like strawberry to you?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Like strawberry daiquiri though.
Yeah, like an adult strawberry.
Like the Island Oasis.
Okay, it's been confirmed it smells like strawberry. I assume they all smell like that. I'm also not gonna use a lip liner. I wanna see how precise I can get these without a lip liner. So let me get a mirror. Hold on, let me actually pull them all out so I can show you all the reds together real quick so you can see the difference. Here are all of them just next to each other so you can kind of see. So this one is Clingy. This one is Committed, and this is Boy Bye. So this looks like the true red, more of like a corally red and a berry red. So we're gonna start with this one. We'll do this one next, and then that one. This is definitely, at least on me, it pulls very orangey, but I also have kind of like an olivey skin tone, so a lot of reds pull orange on me. But I like it so far. The only thing is, the applicator I feel like isn't perfect where you shouldn't use a lip liner. Like I would use a lip liner with this because it wasn't super easy to get a clear line. But let's let it dry because I want to let it fully dry and do a kiss test on my hand. I want it to dry. Wait, is that... Oh my god, is it dry already? I feel like it's dry. It's only been like 2 minutes. Let me kiss the back of my hand. Tiny bit of transfer, but it's only been a couple minutes. Let's wait a little bit longer. Tiny bit, but it's like from the inside of my mouth, so it's probably just not super dry yet, or like my saliva. Excuse me, oh my god, there's part. Or my saliva has not allowed it to dry. So let's take this off. So far I like this color. It's very orangey though, and I wasn't prepared for an orangey red. But let me take this off and we'll do the next one. Wow, she's pigmented. Oh my god, I look like... Never mind. They definitely stain your lips. My lips are not this color normally. Now let's go in with the shade Committed. I think Committed is going to be my favorite shade. It looks like a cherry. Like, give me cherry vibes. Same smell as the first one. Oh yeah, this is very much more a red. I think this could be my favorite color. That is a really pretty red.
I love that.
I like this red. This is so far my favorite. I feel like this would be the most flattering on like everyone. Let me let this dry and I'll put the gloss on top of this one. And then we'll try the last lipstick and then I'll do the gloss by itself too. Oh, the gloss comes in a square packaging. That's kind of cute. Let's see if it has the same smell. Oh no, it smells like mint and vanilla a little bit. That's nice. Is it plumping? I don't think plumping. I just said that weird. I don't think this is a plumping gloss though. I think it just has that kind of smell. Okay, this feels pretty dry already. And this feels really thin too. Like it doesn't feel like I have a liquid lipstick on at all. My lips don't feel crusty. All right, let's see what it looks like with the gloss on top. That's really pretty actually, and the gold doesn't like overshadow the red. Like it's definitely doesn't look like I just have a gold gloss on top. It just looks like a super shiny red. I like that. Okay. Okay. What was that? Oh, one of the lipsticks just hit my cat, so -2 stars. Last shade is Boy Bye. So this looks like kind of berry, but I'm curious how it's gonna pull on me. Let's see. That's why I'm so picky with reds, because they look so different on everyone. Same smell. Ooh, okay. I hope you can see that in the tube. Let's see if it can focus. It looks really, like, much more purple, the little bit that's inside than on the outside. So I'm hoping this is, like, a more of a purpley berry shade. So let's see. Okay, this is way darker than I thought it was gonna be.
Fall color.
Yeah, very fall, very vampy. Let's see if it changes color at all, like when it dries down. Maybe it'll look a little bit more purpley. What are you doing? Your tail. Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh no! Ooh, no transfer at all. Wow. No transfer. Mwah! Oh my god! Ow. Did you hear that? You just like hit me with your tail. Okay, so I'm impressed with the formula of these. Let me take this last one off and we can see the lip gloss by itself, and then we'll do my final thoughts and the giveaway rules. Oh, my poor lips. Okay, so my lips are a little stained, but I'm gonna go into my favorite lip liner at the moment, which is the Sephora lip liner to go in the shade light brown, just for something around the lips for the gloss. That is very pretty. So juicy. All right, I definitely like that gloss. It doesn't feel too sticky either. Okay, let me wrap up my final thoughts. Here is everything. My favorite color is Committed, which is like the middle shade, the true red shade, then the berry shade, which is called Boy Bye, and then the last shade, which is called Clingy. And that's because I don't love like hot orangey reds on me. I have to be in the mood. But I like the formula. It feels really thin. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a liquid lipstick or like dry and cakey. I didn't even put chapstick on or anything beforehand to condition my lips, and it's cold and crusty up here in Massachusetts, and I didn't feel like I needed it. So I really like the formula. As you saw, it's basically transfer proof, so that's amazing. So I'm honestly impressed with these. I think these are really good, and I like the gloss as well. Even though it looks super gold, like it would look like you're putting straight up gold on your lips, it doesn't come off that way, as you can tell with when I had it over the red and over this like nude lip liner. Looks really pretty. So I'm really, really happy with these, and I'm excited to give one away to you guys. So let's talk about the giveaway. So of course I have another one of these boxes for you guys. So you'll be getting it of course in this packaging and everything. So I'm going to leave the giveaway rules down below as well, like I always do, but of course it's to like this video, comment down below. Let's comment which shade was your favorite down below. It doesn't have to be on me necessarily, just which one you like the most. And you have to of course be following my Instagram, all that stuff down below. I'll leave all those links down below. And that's it. I'll pick a winner in like 3 days, and I always announce it on my Instagram, so you'll be following me on there, so you'll see it on there, and I usually post it on my YouTube community page as well. And yeah. Whee! Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!